Hello and welcome to another tutorial session. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to share your calendar in Outlook. Now, sharing your calendar is very important, especially if you're working with a team. This helps them to have access to your calendar. To achieve that, you want to ensure that you probably have your account already set up so you can navigate through all of that process. Now, head over to type in your email address or password if you do already have an account to get yourself properly signed in. And if you do not have an account, ensure that you go to create your Microsoft account and then go through all of the process of getting your account created. And when you've done that, you'll be navigated to the home page of your Microsoft Outlook, which looks like this. Now, creating or rather sharing your calendar in Outlook is very important because it helps to coordinate a group. It helps for collaboration, it helps for transparency and efficiency in delivering tasks. All right, coordinate schedules easily is one of the ways that creating or sharing your calendars makes work effectively. It also helps to improve team collaboration. It helps to delegate tasks or calendar management. It helps to enhance transparency, like I earlier said, and to help for a personal and professional work-life balance. All right, so I'll quickly show you how to share your calendar in a few minutes. Now, the first thing you want to do is head over to your calendar, which is the second option at the left hand side of this menu bar over here. Just click on calendar and it will take me to this page. Now, as you can see, my calendar is already here. It's a calendar I already created for a work event. So you head over to the top option over here where you have a list of options such as new events, day, work week, week, month, filter, and a whole lot of other options. So click on share a calendar with others. Click on share. Now type in the email address of the particular person you want to share your calendar with. All right, we're just filling their email address over there, and then this is where you can grant permission. All right, you can grant permission by clicking on this drop down icon, and you can either decide to choose can view all details or can edit. All right, this will set your permissions. Then maybe just type or pick can edit. After doing that, I can just head over to share my calendar, and this invitation will be sent to the person I want to, send this particular or share this particular calendar with. So they will get an email notification and then they will receive access to the calendar choices I had picked up. This is how you can simply share your calendar in Microsoft Outlook to other people to have easy access to carry out all sorts of activities or work related activities that you want to on your Outlook platform. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'm sure that you've been able to find this video quite helpful and you've carried out the tasks that you want to. Until next time, thank you and bye for now.